Welcome friends, and thank you for joining me today as I share with you one of my favorite quick and simple tofu egg stir fries. I love growing my own green onion as I love using it as a garnish for a lot of my dishes. For today's recipe, you will need 1 stalk of green onion. In a bowl, whisk together 4 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To make your sauce, in a bowl, combine your soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, brown sugar, water, and cornstarch. Rinse and use a paper towel to pat dry 450 grams of medium firm tofu and then cut it into smaller pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan on high heat, then place your tofu onto the pan. Sprinkle some garlic powder to add flavor to the tofu. Then flip your tofu and sprinkle a little bit more of the garlic powder. You're going to pan fry each side of the tofu until it turns golden brown. When both sides of the tofu is nice and golden, add the egg mixture and then flip the tofu. Then you're going to add the delicious sauce and green onion and stir fry everything together. Once you've plated the dish, you can drizzle a little bit of sesame oil or you can add some toasted sesame seeds on top. You can enjoy this dish with rice, with noodles, or even in a lettuce wrap. But for today's dinner, I paired it with air-fried lemongrass chicken wings, steamed halibut, and stir-fried broccoli with garlic.